Good morning. This is a video. I just wanted to add some more scaffolding for the child theme. So I made a sample one, and I just want to go through it now. It's UX 221 sample theme. I was asked for a little more clarification on the child theme idea, and also the Google tag is changed a little bit. And I also, there were only a few people in class that did the favicon for the fourth assignment. So I thought I'd add a little bit more scaffolding for you. So this, of course, will be available during the exam, but it's also something that hopefully you can use in the future if you do more WordPress. So there are instructions here. I just thought that I'd go through and also record a video. Just kind of test the instructions together. So first thing I'm going to do is just start my WordPress. I'm not going to bore you with that, so I'm just going to pause the video. And all right. So I've got WordPress installed. Here's my dashboard. So the next thing I'm going to do, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to download this as a zip so I can install it into my WordPress. So if I go to here, click on this green easy button, I can do download zip. And this is put it in my downloads folder. There it is. So I want to leave it zipped. So if I go back to my dashboard, I go to Appearance, Themes. I click Add New. Then Upload Theme. Browse. Go to Downloads. I guess this is it here. Open, install now. Okay, I'm going to activate as well. And now I have the theme. And if I open the link in a new tab, I can see the theme. I can see that it's changed the font and the color of the heading here, the H1. I can also see that it's giving me a favicon. So I'm pretty confident that I got the theme. If I can go into it, I can see that the head, if I scroll down to the bottom of the head, there's my Google G tag. And sorry. Oh, there's my favicon right there. Okay, so that's been put into the head of the script. So what you're going to do is you're going to hack this theme to have your G tag in it, to have your favicon, to have your font, just generally to change whatever it is that you feel needs to be changed to meet your customers' requirements. All right, so I want you to make this your own. We start to make this our own by going into VS Code. Just go back to the instructions here too. So the functions PHP and style.css and the child theme. That's in VS Code here. WP content, themes. Here's the theme here, the UX 221 sample theme. There's me. And there are the files. So I'm going to change the favicon.ico. I'm going to change the functions.php. And I'm going to change the style.css. So we go back to here. First thing we're going to do is head over to Google Fonts and get a different font in there. So fonts.google.com. I don't think I came with that originally. I'm just going to delete it anyways. All right. So I'm going to search for a handwriting font just for fun. Okay. That looks pretty handwriting-y. Freehand. So if I wanted to pick that one, I click on here. I would select one of these. Oh, it looks like I only have one choice here, regular 400. So I click plus there. Then I click up here, and here's my instructions to get it into my code. So I've already imported a font, so I'm going to let you change this to your font. But hopefully you can see that you would do that by going in here, importing different font here. I'm actually consuming the font here. So if we go back to the instructions here, we're going to add some rules, consume the font and set up colors. So again, I already have some rules. I have a root element here with some my colors in it. I have I added a class to make my rules more specific, and I have a rule here for assignment to class site title. And this is where I made the font 2EM. I've used my font family Poppins that I imported up here. And I'm also consuming the header text color. I told you in class that you shouldn't set the color and without setting the background color, or you shouldn't set the background color without setting the foreground color. I did set both of them here, but I'm actually inheriting the background color from the document. So if we go look at the document here, this is the background color, and I wanted the text to still have that background color. So I wanted to do as I said. That was why I made that particular choice. All right, so let's go back to the instructions. Okay, so the next thing I got to do is I got to get my my own tag here. So I'm going to go to Analytics, Google Analytics. Okay, I'm logged on as me, so analytics.google.com. First organic link here. Okay, now Google Analytics has changed. Now we have these GA4 properties. So I have set up this GA4 property has been done for me. But if I go on here, if I drop this down, it shows me my properties. If I go to this one, or I'm on that one, sorry. If I go to data streams here, yeah. Okay, it shows my stream. If I click on here, it shows me my upstream details. Now, the one thing that I was asked questions about was the stream URL. You can edit that by going here. So I have it rhilder.github.io, which is my profile site, portfolio site. Okay, there's nothing else here that I changed. To get my tag, I just go down to here. This takes me to my Google tag. I have installed with the website builder or CMS here, or I have installed manually. That's what I'm going to do. So I can copy this, or I can just change my, no, it's probably better to copy it. So I'll copy, go back into VS Code, edit the functions.php, paste in here. So from Google GTag down to there, just paste over top. All right, so when I want to actually see my web stream, I can go to the home page, and then I can go in real time. Sorry. View real time right here. Okay, and here's my child theme scaffold. There's already one hit here because I had my GTag in here before. There's child theme scaffold. Now I'm going to go to hello world. Now I'm going to go back to analytics. Takes a minute to update. I don't know if I needed to do the refresher, if I just needed to be more patient. Okay, but there's my second hit here, this hello world. Okay, so the child theme scaffold, and then this is the second hit that's recorded in the analytics here. I can see that it's happening in Kitchener right now. And let's see, I guess that's pretty much it. So obviously you're going to make this your own. You're going to hack it to make it your own. You want to do this for customers. The child theme is a way of making customization for your customers. They will all want this. They'll all at least want color changes, but they'll also all need analytics. So they'll all need their own analytics. They'll want a favicon. You are welcome to use this for the exam today, but I wanted to leave it for you anyways in case you wanted to do more work on your on WordPress. I know in the past that there have been people that have gotten customers and done work on their WordPress for customers. So hopefully this is something that you can use if you decide to do that.